GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Govi, a vernacular edutech brand, skilling everyone everywhere. Remax, my device, my life. Coming soon.
Calendar khana lao.
What am I tempted to eat which is unhealthy?
Yeah.
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah, cheese. Milkmaid. I'm a boarding school kid. Milkmaid. I can finish a tin of Milkmaid.
What?
But people are saying it evokes Madhubala and like
That's
stuff
true.
like that. And I have died because Sanjay sir on set used to very sweetly say, "Oh, meri Madhubala aa gayi." There's a thing that is made in my home which I've not actually eaten anywhere else. It's called Podi Mamsam.
Siddharth.
He's
What
a
does
better
he like
cook than I am.
He's a
Actually.
better cook?
Yeah, because he
Wow.
can do everything from scratch, unlike me. He actually cooks non-vegetarian like food really well. But mostly when everybody asks him to cook, they ask him to make like, there's a thing called Vattakorumbu. It's a very Tamil thing. It's very delicious. It's like spicy, sour. I don't know how to explain now what it is. It's a famous thing. So he makes that. I like cleanliness, but I'm not able to achieve it myself.
God.
Sid, for example, says that my superpower is that I can get away with murder because I'll say it nicely. Go and jump from here. Just don't come back again. He's like, what are you saying? And that person is like, okay. I don't realize that you basically told them to go jump. Sidhu and I just belong. And we have like a happy, childlike, we say like, Gaurav Gupta? He says you're both pixies. Yeah, so I feel like we just laugh a lot together, and we fight also like children, but we laugh more. Sidhu called me after he binge watched it, and actually he couldn't speak, and his eyes were all like red and swollen, and he couldn't speak, and he just said, I want to come and meet Sanjay sir.
Her eyes always do the magic on screen, but in Hira Mandi, it's not just the eyes. It's the nazakat, it's the ada, and of course, the revolt that makes Aditi Rao Hydari's Bibbo Jan stand out. And on today's table for two, table sajne wali hai, but we already have Aditi. Thank you for doing this for Galata India.
I'm very happy to see you. 1 minute, can I just fix your hair?
Thank you. Oh, this will become. See, not many people do that. I keep telling my DOPs that अच्छा आज आपने मुझे मिरर के ऑपोजिट बिठाया है तो मैं कभी कभी देख के ऐसे कर लूंगा. But how have you been? आज हम खाना खाने वाले हैं.
Thank God.
I've not eaten since yesterday. What have you? How long have you not eaten?
I ate while I was doing interviews, but you know what that is, na? It takes me 100 years to chew. So and then like, you're still eating? I'm like, I'm still eating the same dosa.
What did you eat?
Dosa.
Oh, you are a dosa person. That we would have come to later, but you are making me talk about it right now. Why are you like? Is that South Indian love inside you that?
Abhi, Anna, I am a South Indian, na?
Yeah.
So then?
So nahin, that's what. Subah uthe ke, do you
No,
like
I
your
don't eat
dosa?
breakfast. I'm an intermittent faster.
Oh,
but
baapre.
today I felt like I needed some comfort. So, because I was like, I was going through a bit of brain fog. So I was like, dosa. Today is a dosa day.
The guts you have, because when I told you on the day when we were supposed to do our Netflix interviews on the first day when it got cancelled, and I told you that listen, I'm controlling my food. You're like, why do you need that? Why do you need intermittent fasting?
Listen, I'm going to can.
Why? So
Lord,
उसमें क्या है? उसमें क्या है? But
What do you mean?
but why do you need to do it?
Because I have to fit into all this. I mean, I fit into sample sizes, but I have to look like.
But हो गया सारे कपड़े आ गए उसके लिए
नहीं.
लॉक हो गए.
That's हो रहे.
But you know the love for you, for Bibbo Jan. I remember finishing it and had not released, and I had seen 8 episodes, and I thought like, no, I can't text her. I have to call her and tell you. And I think we spoke for almost half an hour.
Yeah.
It was as long as an interview.
Chapad.
But the love, I told you that time.
Yeah.
You were like, you know, does this work? Does this work? Will it work in totality? You know, majority of people have actually loved the world. They're obsessed with the world. How has the reception been for you?
Like overwhelming, and I'm also happy it's been overwhelming in totality.
Yeah.
And also I mean, obviously, I will come to Bibojan because it's like so special for me. I love being her. I love that Sanjay sir made her a part of my life. That I got to live that life, and for people to have, you know, to have felt all the nuances, to have felt the whole journey, to have felt that vulnerability with the
Absolutely.
fearlessness and the whole like seamless journey of that in itself in this girl. um, and I've been told I mean, like almost embarrassed to say it, but I'm so excited. I'm dying. Normally, I don't remember these compliments, but how can I forget this one? Like, people are saying it evokes Madhubala and like
That's
stuff
true.
like that. And I have died because Sanjay sir on set used to very sweetly say, "Oh, meri Madhubala aa gayi," or when I was in front of the camera, whatever. And I would always feel like he's being loving, he's being encouraging. He always showers a lot of praise mm, and then to hear it, I was just like, oh, that man is a genius. Like, how did that happen? I'm so grateful. And I'm like, some blessing.
But as a 90s kid, I just want to do what we've always done when we are very hungry. Calendar, khana lao.
I love it. I actually say that at home.
Oh, you do?
Calendar, khana lao.
Calendar, khana lao. Calendar, khana lao. I'm really hungry. I can't tell you guys, and I'm not joking. I've waited. ये जो मेरी टीम ने ये टेबल सेट करने के लिए 15 मिनट मुझे वेट करवाया और अदिति को वेट करवाया. मैं बता दूं कि आज मैं बहुत भूखा हूँ. मैंने रिचा के साथ भी शूट किया था, बट मैं इतना भूखा तब था नहीं. आई थिंक टुडे आई एम वेरी वेरी हंग्री एंड इट्स शोइंग. एंड आई विल टेल यू,
I can see the love in your eyes.
yeah,
by the
and
way.
it's just hunger. When you talk about temptations and food, what is it that you are always tempted to eat? बताइए.
What am I tempted to eat which is unhealthy?
Yeah.
Pizza.
Pizza?
Yeah, cheese. Milkmaid. I'm a boarding school kid. Milkmaid. I can finish a tin of Milkmaid.
What?
But obviously I can't, right? Yeah.
A tin of, when was the last time you did that?
Never. Long back. In school.
In school. Like for the longest time you've been eating healthy, you're saying?
No. I'm a badmash. I'll eat pani puri and all. But I'm lucky that I have a chota appetite. That's the only thing that saves me.
Also, high metabolism. I think that saves both of us. I'm also blessed. that
Yeah,
I
right?
can
Haan, I mean, really, you can't say anything.
Yeah. I think मैं भी कुछ खा लेता हूँ, उसके बाद मुझे ज़्यादा लगता नहीं that I walk. What is your main fitness regime like, or fitness mantra like in life?
I should be ashamed to answer this question.
Why?
Because I used to be really good with my yoga and stuff, and post this whole COVID, this thing, I've just become really bad. But I've just started calisthenics.
Oh, that's really,
Yeah.
but it's very difficult also.
But I need it because I'm just a very bendy, what is it called? Rubber band?
Elastic.
Haan. But strength levels are like minus.
चलो let's begin because हाँ 5-10 मिनट 15 मिनट हो चुका है और
हाँ,
मुझे बहुत
please
भूख लग रही
यार,
है.
please.
What do you like eating the most here? Like what do you think we should start with?
That.
That?
Because that's the carpaccio. So.
Yeah.
Oh, are you going to do chopsticks or?
I don't know how to use them.
Never? I'm nervous to make you eat this
Well,
with chopsticks.
I try, but I fail. कैसे करते हैं? You have to.
So you have to
teach me.
hold this one like a pen. So this is the moving person, and this is the steady person.
I feel like such an unpar right now, but well.
See?
अरे अगर होता
नहीं इतना
मुझसे-
नीचे नहीं पकड़ना है, उसे थोड़ा ऊपर पकड़ना.
ऊपर?
हाँ,
इधर?
हाँ. But अभी हाँ, yeah, correct. See this.
Lovely.
Now,
Only
na?
if I could see.
This is the trick.
It is.
To show you and to show off, I have just eaten a.
I was like, why are you eating that?
Yeah.
Have the sashimi.
You have? You're managing?
I'm managing.
Yeah. There you go. Wow! Dude, that's damn good. You've eaten this before. You've eaten
No.
this before. Really?
I can't use a chopstick. I'm not lying. सच में.
But you did well.
Quick learner.
Whose head do I put this on? I put this
Oh,
on.
this is very nice. It's
Mm.
very nice. Now I'm gonna try doing the same.
How are we supposed to talk?
We can talk. Food khate khate talk. There are times when I've done shows where we've kept, because it was not a food show, we shot at a restaurant and we kept food. Now nobody realizes that after it's cut, the food is over. Everybody will eat it. We are not gonna waste it. But because that actress didn't even touch 1 ounce of that food, how much abuses have come for her. खाना waste कर दिया ये मेरे लिए और उसके लिए बताओ.
I'll eat. I'm very hungry.
Yeah. But
You don't want more of this?
has that ever happened? Like, when was the, no, I'll have.
Hmm.
When was the last time you feel like people were like really rude or nasty to you that you had to deal with?
I don't deal with it. That's how I deal with it. Is that I'm like, you think that that's what's important to do, and that's how you want to spend your day, being nasty to people who you don't know. Do it. Do it. Feel happy. I wish you the best. I want to use my energy.
But it's never gotten to you.
Of course, it has 100%. But I feel like the time that you spend letting it get to you, that reduces. Because you do like what my mom says always, this thing like helps me. She always says that like if somebody wants to behave like a jackass, that's their problem. you be the best version of yourself at all times.
पर बचपन का ऐसा कोई खाना है जो मतलब घर पे बनता था, जो हर किसी के घर पे एक स्टेपल आइटम होता है, जो लाइक उन्हीं का घर का स्पेशलिटी होता है, जो बाकी जगह पे आप खाओगे भी तो वो टेस्ट नहीं आता, ऐसा होता है. तो ऐसा कुछ है घर पे?
In Hyderabad,
Only this.
there's a thing that is made in my home, which I've not actually eaten anywhere else. It's called podi mamsam.
Pudi mamsam.
Podi mamsam. It's basically like almost like fried chunks of mutton. And it's not fried. I mean, it's bhunod. And it's got like khaskhas seeds on it. And it's like spicy. And it's like delicious.
When was the last time you had it?
Like recently.
Achha, then you are eating. Na?
What do you, also, no, but I don't get it here, na. I only get it there.
So when you went home, you had it.
Yeah.
So
When I went to
mom,
Hyderabad. Not my mom, but we'd gone to Vanparti, where I'm from, and the cooks there made it. It was damn good.
you tell me something. The childless memory. One of the childhood memory, fondest childhood memory associated with food. Anything. This is the best.
For me, my grandmother feeding me, because I was a terribly slow eater. So I would be fed and I would be told a story. And that was the best.
So did you genuinely janbuj ke eat slow so that the story would happen?
I was not such a chalu chapat.
You are still not. But are you still a slow eater?
Maha slow.
But why? Like you chew.
So in boarding school, yeah, I'm just slow. I mean, I'm a slow eater now. What do I say? In boarding school also, things would go flying off my plate because I would just take so long, and there would be hungry people around me. So I would like at the end of it, I would have like practically no food.
Any
That's fine.
kitchen disasters?
Oh, I love to cook.
I know.
I love to cook. I just don't do it very often. But I love to cook. Any kitchen disasters? No, I mean I don't know.
So what is
I
it?
need help, but in the kitchen. No, I'll tell you the kitchen disaster that I am. I make a mess because I have no system. Because I don't cook right often. I cook with a shock say. So the mess that is created is not a happy mess. I'm like I myself I'm holding my head like how did I do this? Horrible.
But give me that hand, because it's the same. I'm a very moody cook. Like I love recipes. If you give me
What
a
do you make?
recipe, I can make anything which is on YouTube. हमारे घर पे मेरी मम्मी, I'm telling you, my mom is so progressive, and my mom never conformed to social norms. I've been taught to cook for myself. My father knows how to cook. My mom knows how to cook. My brother is the best cook.
Oh, fab.
And I know how to cook. But मेरा क्या है ना, वही हो जाता है कि when you feel like cooking, like today I felt like I told my sister that today or tomorrow I'll make yakhni pulao because I saw Farah Khan's episode and I'm like ये मुझे
her
बनानी है
yakhni pulao is too good.
and it's very tasty. I can have this also. So things like that. But what is it that you cook the best?
Actually, I can Hyderabadi biryani, yakhni pulao. There's one thing that Hyderabad is very famous for. But it's a home thing. You won't get it in any restaurant, which is basically khichdi keema.
Khichdi keema?
It's like a dry, like a pulao type of khichdi with keema and khatta. There's a khatta curry with it.
Wow.
That.
ये कहाँ मिलता है?
हाँ, only घर पे. मेरे को बनाना पड़ेगा. And
So, when are you
keema,
making it and
khatti
calling
dal, khagina. Like basically lots of Hyderabadi things. But I also like to generally cook anything. But I'm not good with baking and all.
I'm good
Rubbish.
I'm great with baking. People are not saying anything from behind the camera. I'm very upset because उनके birthdays पे हमने बहुत bake करके
Oh yeah, how
cakes,
sweet.
खिलाया है. पूरा
Really?
lockdown मैंने लोगों को एक बार यहाँ देख भी नहीं रही है. But yeah, I like
She's
baking a
literally
lot.
purposely looking that
Yeah.
way.
I love baking. I love baking because it's also therapeutic to cook, you know. I feel sometimes when
It
you're
is.
when you
Totally. As long as somebody else is cleaning. Cannot. Bad at it.
What is a usual breakfast like? Like how
I
do you
told you
start
I
your
don't eat breakfast. Though the South Indian in me comes out when I see idli. I love idli. I can eat idli for breakfast, lunch, dinner, mid meals, in the middle of the night, early in the morning. Idli, one katora of ghee, pudi, and various chutneys. I'm done. I don't need anything else.
You know, I was in Hyderabad and one of my friends took me to chutney.
Yes, yes, yes.
And I have never been to a place which gives you like 5 different
That's
chutneys
true.
to have with idli and dosa. Oh my god. Have you been to chutneys? Is it one of your like
I like it. But there are many places.
But in Hyderabad one thing is that वहाँ पे बिरयानी को लेके बहुत मारामारी है कि कोई बोलता है कि ये बिरयानी अच्छी है, कोई बोलता है इसका बिरयानी ज्यादा
Only
better है.
घर की बिरयानी.
घर की बिरयानी. But you don't like going out and eating.
Not biryani.
But what about like don't you feel like sometimes there was a huge fight, like not fight, it
I
was
know.
a friendly fight between Nagarjuna sir and Che, and both of them have different favorites in biryani. And Che introduced me to Telangana Spice Kitchen.
That's, yeah, nice place.
I am obsessed. I'm going to Hyderabad on 7.
Okay, go there. They also go to a place called Telugu Medium. It's
Telugu medium.
mad. Then go to, I can give you many places to go to.
But वहाँ पे क्या खाएंगे तेलुगु मीडियम में? क्या सबसे
I'll
अच्छा
give
है?
you a full list.
You have to, huh? What is it that you? What is the?
And if you
easy-
like those, you know, if you like those old school bakeries, go to Mountain Bakery
Okay.
and get the chicken pie and the chicken sandwich.
This I'm doing on 7th. If I'm in Hyderabad, then I'm definitely.
And
doing
you
that.
must, I can go on. And you must have something, it's a Hyderabad thing called marag. It's like a soup, like a shorba.
Okay.
It's again to die for. We wouldn't have had it anywhere else.
Oh my god! But Hyderabad food is like something else.
And
for me.
you're still getting halim.
Oh, we are still getting halim.
Yeah, in certain places.
So, do you know how to make halim?
No.
What is it? What is the easiest thing that you usually make when you're hungry and you don't have too much time and you like, चलो ये बना लेती हूँ मैं.
My latest obsession is Jackie Sir's curry patta omelette.
So you're making
It's
that.
a hot favorite in our house now.
So who are loving that?
Everybody loves it, including Jannat, who is Sanam's assistant, my stylist assistant. The moment she walks into the house, she said, I already asked for dosa and curry patta omelette.
Oh, lovely. Or what is that one recipe that you like making for yourself?
For myself,
Or for anybody? Like quick. ऐसा कुछ.
Khagina.
What's that?
Khagina is quick. Khagina is a ande ka, it's actually a breakfast thing, but you can eat it with like roti or whatever. So it's like eggs laid out on a bed of like onions and like mirchi, and then there's a little look at me, what's wrong with us? And then there's this like there's this thing called elipai karam that you put on it, which is basically lasan and mirchi ka chutney that you put on top of it, and then you just break pieces of bread or roti and then have it with that, and it's like bomb, and it's quick.
But how do you make it then in the beginning?
You make it on a pan.
Okay, like
you make it
omelette.
you want me to teach you now?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, so you basically cut. Really want me to teach you?
yeah.
So
I
you
want to make
cut,
it.
Yeah, you cut the onion against the green, so it gets those moon, half moons. Okay, and then I can't believe I'm doing this. And in oil, you put like ginger garlic paste, those onions. You put a few slit chilies. And then you let the onion become pinkish, okay, like transparent pinkish,
yeah.
And then once that's done, you crack open the eggs and just lay them. So you don't like mix them up.
Okay.
Like there is a khagina where you mix it up also, but this is the way I've been taught, where you lay it on this bed of onions.
Like a fried egg, basically.
Like a fried egg. Then you cover it, you put it on a low flame, and then you let it cook. So after some time, what happens is you get that little kurchan of the onion, you know, where that it catches, and then you get the like almost like a poached-ish kind of egg on top, and then you take that masala, what I told you, it's called Elipai Karam, from where I come, and then you put that on the egg, and then if you want, you put hara dhania, and if you're crazy and you want more spice, then you put green chili, but no, don't do it unless you want ulcers. And then you have that with either like a pulka, like I eat my gluten-free roti, but you eat it with a
Ragi
pulka.
roti.
Yeah, some mix, like some atta mix. With a pulka or with like white bread.
I'm making this.
Preferably with lots of butter.
Now I'm gonna
No toast,
Done.
bread.
I'm gonna make it and make this video and then send it to you that
Done.
okay, we are making this because
But you have to show me the onion that has to catch a little bit. It has
हाँ.
to be a little crisp. So
हाँ,
there should be
मतलब थोड़ा सा
soft
जलना
onion,
चाहिए, थोड़ा सा.
थोड़ा सा crisp onion.
अच्छा,
That's the
oh,
trick.
That's the trick. मतलब वहाँ पे गलत हो सकते हैं.
हो सकता है. If it becomes too soft and pudgy, that's not fun.
But tell me something. How often do you cook now?
Like really rarely. So I was in London over Christmas, New Year, and by popular demand, I cooked.
Popular demand?
I mean, people who were visiting, they were like, cook na. So
But I want to tell you
Yeah.
that what is it that you cooked for our sir Siddharth?
he's
What
a
does he
better
like?
cook than I am.
He's a
Actually,
better cook?
Yeah, because he
Wow.
can do everything from scratch, unlike me. I still need help. I still need people to
You need
clean
people to
up.
chop it and stuff.
Yeah, because I'll do something stupid. I'll cut my finger or something.
But what is it that you like? That he makes and you like a lot, and you make.
He
that you
actually cooks non-vegetarian like food really well. But mostly when everybody asks him to cook, they ask him to make like, there's a thing called vattakorumbu. It's a very Tamil thing. It's very delicious. It's like spicy, sour. I don't know how to explain now what it is. It's a famous thing. So he makes that.
My
then he
team has
makes-
already इशारों में बोल दिया कि it's very nice, huh?
Yeah, it's so good, right? Then he makes very good different kinds of rasam. Like we all ask him to cook that. So rasam, yeah, different kinds of rasam. And then he makes very good bisi bele. But basically, he's a good cook.
I love.
And he's a
bisi
no
bele.
fuss cook. He cooks fast.
Huh?
Yeah, fat he cooks.
And you're not a slow.
I'm
cook.
telling you, I make a mess.
What is it that you cook?
Even though I say so myself, what I cook tastes nice. But that kitchen is like, I like cleanliness, but I'm not able to achieve it myself.
Guts. I
such
don't
a
like
bad-
cleanliness.
No, I
So then
I
it's fine.
really like cleanliness. I can't bear it. Like this is driving me mad, for example.
I clean it for you.
No, it's fine.
I clean it for you. You have OCD? Do you?
I mean,
Little
I've been
bit?
told not to say that because that's a genuine
Cause of concern,
situation.
yeah, it's a situation.
But I do have.
You're just a stickler for.
I
cleanliness.
like clean things. And
Man, just like how you are in Hira Mandi, like every frame is like so beautiful. What's the best compliment that you have got from any of your peers who called you and said something, anything?
honestly, none of my peers have called me. Yeah, yesterday Ananya was very, 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 very complimentary. I met her at an award function, Ananya, and she was very complimentary. So she's the only person that I've heard from. But there have been many seniors and many people who have said some incredible things, including critics and journalists, and including you and Sanjay sir, Rekha ji.
What did Rekha ji say?
I'm not saying now that's
That's
for
close to
me.
your heart.
Yeah. And what people like Sanjay sir, Rekha ji don't say stays here.
Yeah.
But the normally, I'm always foxed when people say what is the best compliment you've ever got, and I'm just like, I forgot. But that time I loved it, but then I forgot. But I like that because it doesn't make me conscious of it,
Yeah.
and it's not like it doesn't. But I enjoy it when it happens. But now because it's so fresh in my mind, I think the greatest compliment that I got that made me be like was like Bibbo Jan, and how she was created by Sanjay sir was evocative of Madhubala. I think I said
Yeah.
that already, right? So I died a few times when I heard that, and I was just like, thank you God, thank you Sanjay sir, thank you universe.
And great, please keep doing that, because I think the more power to people like you. We've not actually had that. Whatever. I don't know what this is.
Honestly, I'm dying to eat, but
Yeah,
now I can't eat
eat.
with food in my mouth. I
Eat.
mean, I can't talk with food in my mouth.
You don't have to talk. You eat. You eat. Aram se. Conversations will wait. That's not a problem. Did you have the prawns? You have not had anything apart from that.
You don't want this?
No, please have. I've
Huh?
had.
No.
So, do you like chicken? Do you like fish? Do you like seafood more, or do you like
Fish and
chicken,
seafood.
mutton?
Fish and seafood and mutton.
Oh, but you like it like your fish. How? Like there are different types of preparations. जहाँ पे हमारे कैलकाटा में तो अलग तरीके से
I like
बनता
that bhapa patori. I love that.
है. You love it.
I love it.
So can I promise you something? Are you?
You make?
I can make it. But
I
I
have
think there's another
a
person
Bengali dada who cooks for me.
at home.
I just today there was jhinge aloo posto for lunch. Yeah,
Just like your film. I think you should do a Bengali film.
I'm dying to,
I think you have.
I had a Tridev triumvirate in my wish list.
Who?
But when I was going out with Manisha, Sanjay Leela Bhansali and Rituparna Ghosh.
But that I knew you will say Rituparna Ghosh first. That was a tremendous loss to us as a fraternity, as Calcutta, as Bengal. I think I got so moved I cried.
Another person who just female narrative was just so incredible.
Oh my God, femininity,
Yeah.
femininity at large.
In all its power.
Oh my God. I get goosebumps when speaking about him. I was not fortunate enough to meet him. Possibly that's
Me
also
neither.
why I cried. But when you talk about food and you're saying that you like bhapa, right? So I was saying my mom is gonna come 10th. So the following week, done.
But you know what I actually want? Shukto.
Shukto, my mom makes it very well.
I want shukto.
So you tell me what are the vegetables you like, you don't like. We'll
I
get
eat all vegetables.
everything. Chalo, Shukto mom is making.
Vikram sir's mom, Deepa auntie, she made shukto for me and brought it to set.
Oh,
Because she was like, nobody likes shukto. You like shukto? I'll make it for you.
I love Shukto.
Me too.
I love Shukto. It's something else.
Aa
All
gaya
your-
machhar, malad se.
How do you know it's from Malad?
Because a machhar can be in Bareilly also. It'll find me.
But what is that one quirk that you have while eating, which not many people know, which is like a little embarrassing?
That I eat really slowly and I chew 8,000 million times and I just go like a little squirrel.
But that's the right way to do it.
I don't know.
We are taught कि वो चबा के.
But it's damn embarrassing, yeah, because sometimes the entire table will get up and leave and I'm still eating and I've not even finished like one pulka. Like it's that bad.
Are you the slowest in your house also?
Yes.
But when you talk about embarrassing situations and when you're caught up around people, how do you deal with, like, as an actor, sometimes you have to be in places where even if your heart doesn't want you to be and you want to just go and sleep, you have to be at parties somewhere, right? How do you
Parties
deal
though
with
I
it?
don't do.
No, not parties, matlab some event or something
Haan.
that you have to go to and then you have to like show your face and but how do you fight that fight where it is like
I work on my brain. Okay, because usually everything happens from here. So this is saying go home or whatever. Or like what is going on. But then there are times that I have to tell myself you cannot be a 5-year-old. You have a responsibility and you have to do certain things. And I pick my battles. So the ones that are not like harrowing me too much, and then I will be responsible and I will tell my brain, you have to be grateful for this. So just shut up and behave
and
yourself.
sit back.
Yeah.
But what about people? When you are the one at the party feeling these emotions, from personal experience, I see like a lot of people behave a little out of hands also. Then how do you deal with those embarrassing situations?
I don't know. Like mostly now what happens with me, especially when I'm a little maybe out of sorts or
This is really
I don't know people or I'm a little uncomfortable or whatever, is that my thigh bhav becomes deer in the headlights. Now it's not like my problem is I can't hide it, right? So everybody will ask me, "Are you okay? Are you lost?" And I'm like, "No, that's just my face. What do I do about it?" So I find that embarrassing because I have to explain it all the time.
And they understand it also.
I don't know. I mean, I guess they
They do.
have to. So yeah. But what was your question?
Whatever is here is here.
Yeah, man.
That's the problem.
And off camera, na, it's a problem.
Off
But it's
camera,
okay.
it's a big problem. Have you
Yeah.
ever been in an embarrassing situation because of that? Like where you are, like something else is happening and you're just
No, like
Laughed.
Sid, for example, says that my superpower is that I can get away with murder because I'll say it nicely. You na go and jump from here, just don't come back again. He's like, what are you saying? And what if that person is like, okay. They haven't realized that you basically told them to go jump. So that is your superpower.
Of course, he would know how. Is this the way you fight with him? Where you're
Yeah, I
like,
fight with him properly, like a child. I fight. Ah, like that.
who's the one saying sorry then?
Both.
Both of you say sorry. You know, the beauty about both of you together, your union, is that it's a union of two artists. I feel that you waited to find that one companion who's such a great human being. Because my team here is from Chennai and they were not there during the Netflix scene. So when I told you that my team has literally sent you love, genuinely my Chennai team has told me that please tell them that we really love them. And they really love him also because of how he is as a person, you know. How important was it for you, like to have somebody and take them to your parents for them to be this kind of a person?
I think, like, again, it's difficult for me to say this on camera, but I mean, I say this much that I think Sidhu and I just belong, and we have like a happy, childlike. We say like, you know, Gaurav Gupta. He says you're both pixies. Yeah, so I feel like we just laugh a lot together, and we fight also like children, but we laugh more.
Yeah. And you call him your Manicon.
That is a name. So my one of my makeup artists, Tanuja Dabir, who did Hira Mandi with me, she calls me Unicorn. So she says Junicorn. My Junicorn has come. And then when she met Sidhu, she said, "Oh my God, Unicorn, you found your Manicon."
Oh, how sweet.
That's why I call him Manicon.
But you know, I love the fact that Aditi, you are not a PR person. You
Ask my PR, they
I
will
know,
cry.
I know. And I think that it's great that you're doing all this because to push you to do this is also a lot, to be very honest. And
See, you asked Dilse, na? Dilse, somebody asked me, but I'm not going to say this on camera because then people, and I'm like a real, I'm a sucker for like,
love.
yeah, if somebody talks to me like nicely, kindly, and genuinely says something, it's very difficult for me to say, get lost.
Yeah, I know you never said get lost ever. You know, last time also when I spoke
Get lost.
Okay. But you know, the thing is that I love the way you announced it because there was so much speculation, and I saw in one of your interviews you
So
said that.
our parents were like, please guys, we are getting too many calls, and we were like, no, the sanctity of this, and they were like, just now, enough. You all both just please do something, because they were getting like a lot of. Also, I think it's the most dignified thing to do, and again, just converting something that could cause you like, you know,
Yeah.
could be like could be a harrowing situation. To turn it around, I would just say that there are so many people who love and send blessings. I think we wanted to accept it with an open heart.
Yeah, I think everybody who knew it.
It's a learning curve.
No, and I think everybody who knew it, we
Yeah.
all knew it. But with that one post, it felt natural for us to just message you
Of course.
out of love and say that,
Yeah.
you know, we are so happy for you.
Yeah.
And I read another interview where you said that you did it the complete traditional value way with all the values intact, that you went to the temple and
We actually we actually went. That was festival time. So anyway, the family was at the temple, and that temple is very important in my family. It's been in my family for 400 years, and it was it's very beautiful, surrounded by water, and I just felt like whatever it is has to start there.
yeah.
So we had gone for the puja, and then Oh, but then we also did this engagement.
But nice. I'm very happy for you. We are gonna finish a little bit of the food because, of course, it's a food show. It's a table for two. I want to serve you a little bit. What do you wanna eat from here?
I want to eat the prawns, but they're looking complicated to eat.
No, they're not so complicated. They're actually very tasty also.
Okay.
Let me tell you that. They're actually.
But are we
very
eating with the
tasty.
camera off or with the camera on?
कैमरा ऑन करके
Lord,
लोगों देखने को कि आप
Lord.
कितने स्लोली चू करते हो.
But I finished that, na?
Ah, you finished that. You finished that. That's
Mummy, am I getting prize?
what prize do you want? I'm ready to give you a prize. And I'm very sweetly after this interview gonna ask you for something else, which I'm gonna tell you later.
What? Oh my god.
Which I did ask you over the call. I said your first interview ever.
Ah, yeah, you said. Don't say it on time.
But how did the family now? पहले मैंने पूछा था कि ट्रेलर का रिएक्शन क्या था. How did the family now react to the series? Now that they've watched it.
You fed me. I'm not going to talk.
It's okay. खाना खाने के बाद बोलो. मैं भी खा लेता था. I'm gonna keep all of it, you know, na? Because I want them to learn. Let's see when she's eating, she's not talking. But you chew like, nice, but
So, my mother was very excited because when I was little, she got a grant from the Ford Foundation to do research on Tawayafs and Tumri and whatever. So she, and also Sanjay Leela Bansali creating this, he loves this world.
Yeah.
And he has so much knowledge about it. So my mother is like ecstatic and she's sending me messages with details and this one and Chappan Churi and Asgari Bai and that one. And I'm like, okay, that's a lot of information. But she's so excited. And Sidhu called me after he binge watched it. And actually he couldn't speak. And his eyes were all like red and swollen and he couldn't speak. And he just said, I want to come and meet Sanjay sir. And yeah, so and then after he did manage to say something, he said like later, he was like, so now we have two freedom fighters in our family. Bhagat Singh and Bibbo Jan. I was like, yeah, that's so true. I never thought of that.
absolutely. आजादी की जंग सिर्फ बेटों ने नहीं बेटियों ने भी लड़ी है.
Exactly.
That's how we will end this, and may you keep fighting the right fights. You found a person who values you, who respects you, who loves you as much as you love them, and that's the beauty of life.
Are you talking about my directors?
I'm talking about directors and everybody else. I just want to tell you that eventually, when you're a nice human being from heart, खुदा कहीं ना कहीं आपको प्यार ढूंढ के आपके whether it's professional or personal life, he will always make sure that you're happy and content, and I know that you are. And to many more conversations, to many more performances, and truly Bibbo Jan is one of my most favorite
Yay.
characters.
Thank you.
And you did leave all of us emotional. I'm just gonna
Thank
keep it
you.
at that. But truly, thank you for doing this over food.
Thank you.
And
And
I
thank you
wanna-
for feeding me.
Done. And all of the foods that you've told me, I'm gonna make, and जो भी आपको खाना है वो घर से बनवा के
Yeah.
आपके घर पे आने
Fine,
वाला है.
done.
चलो done.
And both ways.
Done.
But you have to come home.
Done.
Done.
On that note, thank you so much, guys. We'll finish the
Thank
food.
you.
Bye.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Govi, a vernacular edutech brand, skilling everyone everywhere. Remax, my device, my life. Coming soon.